this is my video for the Scottish crafter Sam's collaboration for the love of vintage and shabby chic. We upload the second Sunday of every month up until December. All the ladies that are playing along, their video links will be in the description, so please go check their channels out and see what they've come up with. So as the title says, it's for the love of vintage and shabby chic. So what I did for this week is I made some photo frames with vintage images. These are free stock photographs that you can print off the internet, but I brought mine pre-printed from a seller on eBay. So, but you can print them off yourself, and I used my nesting dies to create the frame, and the middle bit that comes out of the frame, you can use that on another project, make DIY embellishments with them, so that it's perfect. You get two pieces out of one. So that's what I did. I made some frames up that could be used as embellishments. I did try the silver. The only thing I find with this metallic card is it scratches really easy when you put it through the die cut machine, the Big Shot, which is a bit disappointing, but hey ho. Now this one I did slightly different. I did it to look like a slide, and I inked over the top of it the frame, so that's a different look. I actually do prefer this look rather than these frames, but it's each to their own, isn't it? They're still framed images. So if I show you how I put that one together, so I've die cut the shape out, and also I've die cut the frames already, so just put a bit of glue around. And just stick it down. There we go. And that's the back. Good thing with wet glue is you've always got time to adjust it as well. Yeah, that's a bit better. And there we go. Simple as that. And these are ready to embellish up, or if you sent them in a swap, somebody who receives it could, that would be nice actually, that they could embellish it how they wanted to. If you were doing a swap and you included these as the goodies. So there we go. That's my shabby chic inspiration for this month. I hope you liked the video. I know it's only a quickie. Please go and check out the other ladies' videos. Like I say, everybody's links will be in the description below. Okay, thank you. Bye.